The shadow is the rejected, frightening aspect of your experience of life, which then gets projected onto people. The shadow in your life will always be a person of your own sex. It's the you that you are refusing to admit. It has terrifying, threatening qualities, but you must remember that it also encloses values, positive, gold values, that you have not allowed to come into your life. Now, the dream that I just mentioned, the gold and all from the owl, were positive values in this woman's life that she had not allowed to play in. She was holding them out of fear for their association with the rejected aspects. And so she has to filter them out now. The shadow, you don't know anymore why it is you don't like that person. I've had the experience, a rather common one in my life. I do not like you, Dr. Fell. The reason why, I do not know. I cannot tell. But this I know and know right well. I do not like you, Dr. Fell. Well, this is a person that's doing things that I was taught not to do. Let's say something like that.